Hey, hi, this is Manjuna Chandraya. Today we'll be learning how to calculate difference between two dates and times. So I have a small data, the start date and the end date and the result. So we are trying to get the result based on the start date and the end date. So we are looking for a number of years, how many months has been passed, how many days, how many hours, how many minutes and the seconds. So this is below also same value of the dates, which is we try to replicate the what result we have found it. To get this result, we need to use two functions, that is DATEDIF and the text function. Let's try. So start with the equals DATEDIF open bracket. So don't hit a tab. So open bracket, select the start date, comma, this the end date. So first we have number of years. So double comma after comma, use double quote. Y for years, close the double quote, close the bracket. So now we got the 1 year, but we need to get the years as the letters here. So for that, you need to add and function, double quote, give a space, years, again a space, comma, and a space. So we are trying to concatenating this. So now we find we able to get the year, yes here. So copy this formula after the double quote, add and. So we are adding the function again. Copy paste the DATEDIF function. So here we need to get the months. So I'll add, instead of y, I'll change it to months, m, and years to months here. Okay, I'll hit an enter. Now you can see the difference. So here it says 9 months, here it says 21 months. So what it does is, it is calculating how many months has been passed between the start date and the end date. So it shows the overall of months, that is adding up to 21 months. That is incorrect, because what we are looking after 1 year, how many months has been passed. How many, like 1 year 3 months or 1 year 6 months. So here shows 21 months, which we are not looking out. What you can do, double click on it here in the m column, m. So what you can add y year, y and m. So what it does is, after number of years passed, how many months are left, that will add it here, it will come. So now you can see 9 months. So again double click on it, and copy the next function, that is where it is for the months part. Copy till the double quote, go again here, add and, because we are adding the function to get the days, paste the function. So already we have and, so I'll remove one and. DATEDIF, instead of, we need dates, so I'll remove the y, I'll keep m, after months how many days has been passed. So I'll add d here, so I'll change it to days. Okay, hit enter. So now we got 0 days. So this we are getting till here. So we need to get the hours, minutes and the seconds. For that you will use a text function. So again double click on it. After this you need to add and, because we are adding the formula again, text, open bracket. Here what we do, we are minusing the end date minus the start date. Okay, comma. So hours, we need to get the hours here. So I'll add double quote, h for hours. Okay, after closing the double quote, again open a double quote, hours, just type it. So give a space. So hours, comma, space. This is text we are trying to add. Okay, so if you want to close the function here, use two double quotes, close the bracket. So it will end here. So 5 hours we are able to get, but we need to get the minutes and the seconds, which is still pending. So just double click on it, take this formula entirely. Okay, since we are need to continue, I'll remove this two double quotes which we added. Here I'll add again m for minutes. Okay, so because yeah, we need to add two double quotes, because m we are starting again. Here m, I'll give a space, two double quotes, space, minutes. So why we are adding two double quote is, this double quote, this ends for this. Again it is starting for this to this. Okay, and this double quote is for the minutes. So I'll give a space. We need a space. This is the text we are adding manually. If you are ending the formula here, add again two double quotes and close the bracket. Now ends the minutes. But we need to get and 35 seconds. So for that, what you can do, add and double quote space and hit enter. So now we got the and. So you have so much of space, so we can remove one space here. This is the text we are adding it. So we got the hand. We need to get 35 seconds. So copy the formula from text to the this part which we added, taken it right till comma, paste it here, text. So we don't mean we need seconds. Yes for seconds. So we'll add is seconds. So this no needed. So we'll keep seconds and the last double quotes to close the formula. Hit enter. So we need a space here for 35 seconds. So we'll add a just a space after and. So we added a comma. So this comma we don't need. So just to remove this comma we added here. See, we able to get the replicate the what we had here. If we change anything here, say let's change it to, let's change this to 6th month. Now it says 1 year 8 months. So if you want, you can change the date also. Instead of 4, I'll add 5 days. So it shows 26 days, 7 months, 26 days it has been passed. So to get this, there's two function we need to use. DATEDIF. I think it looks complicated. Use. If you can break it uh, one for one part and copy paste the same thing and change the months for dates and text also. Just change hours and minutes. It'll work. I'm going to share this formula in the description. I can copy it and you can just change your range which cell you are looking for to add. Just change that. I think it should work fine. I hope this formula was helpful. Please do comment and let me know if any other function I need to uh, do a video for the future. Please let me know. Thank you for your time. Happy